What's up, folks? Science Morning Update, June 12th. Wonky gap because of the June to Sep rollover, and now cost of carry for the futures market has everything a lot higher. So we're going to kind of give this a few days to kind of establish our stuff, because this is all priced out in the June, and then you're going to have a premium because it's rolled all the way up to September. So the difference between SPX and ES is going to be quite high. Overnight, 48 to 67 to about 20 points. We're coming back into that 55, which is that where it spent the most time and most volume. 42 is going to be probably my level. Looking downside, 67 is going to be my upside. And then 27. I think the majors will still work like 4,300. But we'll see what sticks and what doesn't when it comes down to it. Pivots are probably going to be more important today. 43.69, 90, 44.11. Your pivots at 48, 43.27, 43.06, and 85. I really like that 06 level, actually. Daily, here's your floating gap up. So we'll see as this settles in. It's going to take a little bit of difference. We'll see about this, volume area as well. It's just always wonky for the first week or so for this to settle in. But, I think that we have, because the fib doesn't change, right? So you're 43.09, 55, all these levels stay the same. It's just going to take a while for ES to kind of get in check, just because of that premium added. So it's going to be kind of confusing for a while. I would just be patient. SPX is still going to be the same. I don't know where this green bar came from. I tried to reset it. It's still there. There is no volume on SPX, so TOS is wonky. Downside, 42.41, 42.21 is that gap down here. And then upstairs is 93 to 85. To be honest, I hope we don't hit either one of those today, but that's something I would be a target. Euro holding above that 107 line at 107.6 right now, up 163 ticks. So, we have a very interesting week, and I think that you really want to focus on that. Looks like ES is up, Dow's up, and NQ, NASDAQ is up. So we'll kind of keep an eye on the indexes, but as of now, everything's up. We have federal budget at 2, and then we get tomorrow is going to get real interesting. We have consumer price index, core CPI. All of the CPIs at 8:30. So we'll see how this comes in. And then Wednesday, we have core PPI, and then we have a Fed decision. And then Mr. Powell talks at 2:30. And then Thursday, we have initial claims and retail sales and all this stuff. And anyway, so it's going to be, especially Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are going to be probably fairly swingy. The goal is, I hope, is that we get some volatility back. We need to get your VIX 90 right now is at 13.29. VIX has been terrible, and so are the premiums. But hopefully we enter into June this next 2 weeks, and hopefully we're going to start to see an uptick in volatility, or at least some premium with the skew and everything else kind of bid up, because things are starting to get wonky again. I think that we spent a few months just kind of in complacency. People got comfortable, and now it's going to be time to start looking at raw data and everything else that comes into summer. So June has always been kind of a target month to kind of kick the summer off. So we'll see if we get just a terrible dog days of summer trade, or if things start to get spicy. And I think that we're going to probably look more towards the spicy, at least this week, to take us into next week. Anyway, I'll be in the room. Just be careful. Pick your spots, and we'll see how all this shakes out and what kind of what market structure we're looking at.